Hello everyone, today, I'll show you how to create this awesome lamp. It costs only about $3 to $4 to create. Moreover, this lamp is rechargeable. So, we don't have to change the batteries. Anyway, without further talking, let's see how to create it, and what components are required. Here's the circuit diagram. I'll connect everything by following this diagram. At first, I'll make holes for the toggle switch and the female audio jack. I'm using the female audio jack as the charging port. Before making holes, I'll mark those places where I'm gonna make the holes. After that, I'll make the holes on the cap of the jar using my mini drill. After making the holes, I will attach the toggle switch and the audio jack to the cap of the jar using these holes. Then, I'll solder and connect everything by following the circuit diagram. Using the double-sided foam tape, I'll attach the charging module on the battery, then, I'll attach the battery on the cap of the jar using the double-sided foam tape. After connecting the battery, switch, female port and the charging module, I'll solder the LEDs on the out pin of the charging module. Check the terminals of the LEDs before connecting. After connecting the LEDs, I'll put the LEDs into the jar, then I'll put the cap on the jar. Basically, our lamp is ready. Just one more thing is left. We've to create the charging cable. I'll create the charging cable by following the diagram. The ground pin of the audio jack will be connected to the ground pin of the USB cable, and the 5-volt pin of the USB cable will be connected to the first ring, or the left channel pin of the audio jack. After creating the charging cable, our lamp will be ready to roll. This can be used as a bedside lamp, or you can put this lamp any corner of your room. But, I'll put this lamp on my computer desk. That's all for now. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. Stay innovative.